not having effects on my tonal balance on this microphone. It's only having effect on the loudspeakers. Remove the clothes from that speaker because it will also. So, share you see now there is changes.
Yes, sir.
If you put that clothes back, it will share, and this thing can happen in the events. Now somebody will be blocking the loudspeaker. They will be staying at the front of the loudspeaker. It has serious effect on the output production. Do you understand? So I don't know if you have seen me before. Somebody staying at the front of the speaker. I say leave that place, because it will be blocking the SPL of what, of that speaker, like the sound pressure level that the loudspeaker is producing. The output is either is blocking the high frequency, or the low mid, or one of the frequency. So you will not hear the full range of how that speaker is, and then the fidelity of that speaker, or how it has been tuned. You will not hear the originality sound production of the speaker, and that is what just happened now. So now, even with this sound now, I can still manipulate it. Then that means I will do a kind of tuning. I will do a kind of manipulation to this, to what we are hearing from this speaker. Now, watch. The faders on this EQ now, they are scattered. So I will bring it to flat. I will flatten them. What I'm doing now is I'm flattening the EQ. So bringing them to the same level on unity gain. Remember this 0. Remember they are unity gain. So bringing them to the same level is what? Is me flattening them. So that we can have natural sound from this guy. And flattening it means there is no EQ. We want to hear the original production of how this speaker is sounding. Or I do bypass. It's still the same thing. What I did here, I'm pressing this place, meaning I'm bypassing the EQ. Do you understand?
Yes.
Even if I do this, I cut it, it will not have effect. You see that? It's not having effect. I do the low. What am I doing? So, low. What am I doing to the low? I am cutting the low by how many hertz? If I do this, I cut the low by how many hertz?
20
Hertz. Is it only one person that is in this class? What I did now, how many hertz did I cut?
20.
If I do this, how many hertz did I cut?
5.
Now down to this place, how many hertz have I cut?
63.
63. That means from 20 hertz to what?
63.
So I cut it from that. I roll it off, so that the speaker will not respond to low, to this frequency. Do you understand?
Yes.
So now, if I push this button back, then it will have effect. If I keep doing it, hello, check, Are we having? Is there any change? Is there any change? You don't feel any change in your ear? There is change now because the sound reduced. You know they are all on the same level now. It reduces the sound, but the same thing otherwise. We still have the same equalization. It's as good as we flatten it, but we now bring down the level. Do you understand?
Yes.
So now let's now do this. Let's go. Hello, check. You still do not have any change. You still do not feel any change. What different do you have? What increase?
Yeah.
Which part of the frequency increase?
High.
Eh?
High.
But if you want to do, we say, like this one now, check. You want to know which frequency the speaker is responding to. Check. You see? Can you see? We boost all this frequency. Is this thing sounding good at all?
No, sir.
This is how some people's loudspeaker is sounding in their church. And they are used to it. Their reference and memory are what have been tuned to this. So they believe this is the way it should be sounding. Do you understand? So until you now get to their EQ and adjust something, and do this and do something, some stuff, check, put something, check, 1, 2, check. Normally you should not respond from 20 here to around this side, because it's small monitor. Then this key, bring it down, check. What am I doing? I'm tuning the loudspeakers. Check. If it's sounding too busy, then I can cut this side. Check. Until I feel what I needed to hear. Check, 1, 2. So I must not take my fader than 0 dB. I must not take it more than 0 dB. So now, why? What effect does that have on our loudspeaker? Is to prevent our loudspeaker from having distortion and getting burns. Do you understand? So no matter how loud it will not clip. Check. Then once you get to this place, it will clip red. Then clipping lead to distortion. So that is it. So there's no time for us to tune it more than this. So I just want to explain to you what equalizer does to our. Now, you know, this is an equalizer. We also have equalizer on the mixing console. I told you earlier on that there is different type of EQ. The one we have on analog mixing console is called what? Is what? Parametric EQ. Mostly on analog console, you find parametric EQ on them, and they are wonderful EQ. Very, very wonderful. Even on digital board, they are so wonderful. So, and this parametric EQ is the one responsible for the tonal balance of your microphone and other instruments that is being plugged into your channel stream. So now, if I want my voice now to change, is another thing tuning your speaker, and is another thing having your microphone EQ based on based on what you want to hear. So now this is my equalizer. It's being flattened. So you see, like this now, it's flattened. If I cut this, did you hear? Did you feel the effects? Yes. So I bring it back. Then let me cut the low. My voice is not sounding bassy any longer. Then I boost this. Check. I reduce it. I do this. Check. Can you see? Can you hear the difference?
Yes, sir.
So that is the work of parametric equalization. So this EQ, its job is different from what this EQ does. So do we understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right now.